Do you want to create your own digital planner but have no idea what app or software to use? Hi, I'm Taz from Preshplan. In this video, I'll show you 5 different programs that you can use to create a digital planner. At the end of this video, you should know what program you should use, whether you are a beginner or a more advanced user. But before we get started, let me explain exactly what a digital planner is. A digital planner is an interactive PDF file, and it's designed for you to use in the same ways as a traditional planner. The hyperlink tabs ensure that you can go through the pages of the planner easily without having to scroll through the entire document. And you write on your digital planner by using a note-taking app on your phone, iPad, or tablet. Now that we've covered the basis, let me show you the 5 programs I've used to create digital planners. The first program we'll talk about is Google Slides. It's a free cloud-based software that requires no installation. The Google Slides interface is very user-friendly, which means that basically any person can start creating planners in a matter of minutes. And it works well for both Mac or PC users. However, this minimalist style will come at the expense of some advanced features. Google Slides offers less options for customizations when compared to other programs in the list, especially when it comes to creating different shaped text boxes, merging shapes, aligning objects, adding 3D effects, downloading custom fonts, etc. But since it's free and user-friendly, it's a great option for beginners. The second program we'll talk about is Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint has been developed for so many years, and therefore it has way more advanced features than Google Slides. Many of you will be familiar with PowerPoint's interface, so it's also a very easy program to get started. This is actually the program I would recommend to any Windows user who is looking for a more comprehensive program than Google Slides. However, the desktop app comes with a price, as you have to pay for Microsoft 365 subscription. Microsoft does offer a free cloud-based version of PowerPoint, but that version comes with a lot less features compared to the desktop app. But you can definitely create digital planners with the free online version, especially if you're just getting started and don't want to invest in anything yet. Another program you can use to create digital planners is Apple Keynote. Keynote is included for free in most Apple devices, so if you're a Mac or an iOS user, this is the program for you. Keynote has all the features you need to create a digital planner. The only drawback I see is that you must be an Apple user to take full advantage of Keynote's features. Because similarly to Microsoft, Apple also offers a free version of Keynote for iCloud. But that version is also limited in features, including the lack of option to create master slides. But the deal breaker for me is that in Keynote for iCloud, you are not able to create presentations with custom slide size. And the slide size is basically the size of a digital planner. So if you're a Windows user, you would be better off with Google Slides than Keynote for iCloud. But for Apple users, you really don't need any other program than Keynote. The fourth and the fifth program of this list are Adobe InDesign and Affinity Publisher. These 2 programs are powerful page design and publishing software. They are great for both Mac and PC users. However, these programs' interfaces are not as intuitive as the ones I mentioned before. They are much more robust in terms of advanced features. It does mean that there is a much steeper learning curve to be able to use these programs than the ones I mentioned before. These programs also come with a price tag. You can get Affinity Publisher with a one-time payment, but InDesign is considerably more expensive. For these reasons, I don't recommend neither of these programs for total beginners, unless of course you already know and use these programs. These are the top 5 programs to create digital planners, but there are other programs too, but I think I covered the most popular ones. Subscribe for more digital planner tutorials and click on the video on your screen to learn further.